A 42-year-old female hypertensive renal transplant patient presents with acute mental status changes and left hemiparesis. A single axial image from a non-contrast head CT scan is shown in the figure. What is the most likely diagnosis? Options: A. Thalamic glioma. B. Subarachnoid hemorrhage. C. Metastatic disease. D. Hypertensive hemorrhage in the basal ganglia. Answer is D. Hypertensive hemorrhage in the basal ganglia. Next question. In case, what is the major abnormality? Options: A. Enlarged ventricles. B. Cyst in the posterior fossa. C. Lack of brain cleavage into two hemispheres. D. Herniation of intracranial contents through a skull defect. Answer is C. Lack of brain cleavage into two hemispheres. Next question. A 15-month-old female infant presents with new onset of seizures. Axial T1 and T2 weighted MR images are shown in. Options: A. Brain tumor. B. Gray matter in the wrong place, i.e., heterotopic gray matter. C. Congenital infection. D. Nodules along ventricles in a patient with tuberous sclerosis. Answer is B. Gray matter in the wrong place, i.e., heterotopic gray matter. Next question. A 66-year-old woman presents with gradual onset of nausea, dizziness, and ataxia. The patient became comatose 24 hours after the onset of symptoms. Axial T2 weighted and sagittal T1 weighted images are shown in. What is the likely cause of the patient's problem? Options: A. Brainstem infarction. B. Brainstem compression from cerebellar infarction. C. Brainstem tumor. D. Cerebellar astrocytoma. Answer is B. Brainstem compression from cerebellar infarction. Next question. What is the most likely diagnosis? Options: A. Intracranial abscess. B. Arachnoid cyst. C. Metastatic brain tumor. D. Cerebral infarction. Answer is D. Cerebral infarction. Next question. A 33-year-old Hispanic man presents with a syncopal episode and involuntary tremors. Non-contrast sagittal T1 weighted and axial T2 weighted images as well as post-contrast axial T1 weighted images are shown in. What is the most likely diagnosis? Options: A. Extraaxial brain tumor. B. Intraaxial brain tumor. C. Frontal contusion. D. Subdural hematoma. Answer is A. Extraaxial brain tumor. Next question. A 48-year-old woman presents with a history of headaches and seizures. Initial coronal T2 weighted flare and axial contrast enhanced T1 weighted images were obtained. What is the most likely cause of the patient's symptoms? Options: A. Multiple sclerosis. B. Inner ear abnormality. C. Hematoma. D. Malignant brain tumor. Answer is D. Malignant brain tumor. Next question. A 58-year-old man presents with a history of lung cancer and mental status changes. A contrast-enhanced axial CT scan and a gadolinium-enhanced axial T1 weighted MR image are shown in. What is the most likely explanation for the patient's mental status changes? Options: A. Metastatic disease. B. Intracranial hemorrhage. C. Small infarcts. D. Sarcoidosis. Answer is A. Metastatic disease.